This week, we are featuring the National Instruments PXI-4110, a programmable DC power supply ideal for manufacturing test and design validation applications. The PXI-4110 is a versatile single-quadrant power supply with 2 isolated channels and 1 non-isolated supply channel, each capable of delivering up to 1 amp. Here are some benefits for buying from us. If you're interested in purchasing this part or another, you can request a quote by visiting our website at apexwaves.com or emailing us at sales@apexwaves.com. The PXI-4110 allows users to precisely control voltage set points and current limits, while also providing voltage and current measurement capabilities. The channels can be combined to deliver higher voltage or current, offering great flexibility in various applications. In terms of regulation performance, the PXI-4110 excels in both load and line regulation. For line regulation, it maintains a stability of 0.01% plus 1 millivolt per volt change in auxiliary power input across channels 1 and 2, and 0.01% plus 0.02% of the range for current regulation. Voltage load regulation varies from 0.1% to 0.42% per amp of output load, while current load regulation ranges from 0.003% to 0.02% per volt of output variation, depending on the channel. The PXI-4110 also features a rapid transient response, taking only 50 microseconds to recover to within 0.1% of the voltage range after a load current change from 50% to 100% of the current range. To ensure reliable operation, the PXI-4110 is equipped with multiple protection features, including over-voltage, over-current, reverse voltage, and over-temperature protection for the output channels. The auxiliary power input also has over-voltage and over-current protection. For optimal performance, it is recommended to calibrate the PXI-4110 annually. The typical power consumption for the PXI module is 1 watt for 3.3 volts, 6 watts for 12 volts, 3 watts for negative 12 volts, and 10 watts for 5 volts, reflecting its low power requirements. An optional auxiliary power source requires an input range of 11 volts DC to 15.5 volts DC, with a maximum current of 5 amps. The PXI-4110 is designed to operate in a wide range of environments, with an operating temperature range from 0 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, and a storage temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to 71 degrees Celsius. It also supports a relative humidity range of 10% to 90% during operation and 5% to 95% for storage. Here are some common questions about the PXI-4110. What are the differences between the 2 part numbers for the PXI-4110? Part number 779647-10 has 9 watts total output power and does not include auxiliary power. Part number 779647-11 has 46 watts total output power and includes auxiliary power. What type is the PXI-4110 connector? The PXI-4110 connector is mini Combicon, 3.81 mm 6-position, nominal for the output channels, and mini Combicon, 3.5 mm 2-position, nominal for the auxiliary power input. What is the PXI-4110 driver software called? The PXI-4110 driver software is called NIDC Power Instrument Driver. What is the current limit for the PXI-4110? The PXI-4110 has a current limit that is set to 1 amp for auxiliary power and 100 milliamp for internal power. This concludes our overview of PXI-4110. Need more information on the PXI-4110 or any other National Instruments products? Feel free to drop a comment below or contact us directly at sales@apexwaves.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.